Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and in today's video I just want to do a little bit of an update in my own personal bathroom. We did an entire series and a video or a vlog basically on this bathroom in the past, which you can find all those videos on the channel, and I just want to do a little bit of an update more focused on the heated tile floor. For any of you that aren't familiar with our channel, we basically do DIY type videos. You can go check our channel out, subscribe, and if you want to get more involved, you can join our Facebook page or our Patreon, or go to our forum if you have any questions. We have a totally free forum. Just have to sign up and post your question and we'll get to it that day, in most times. So in today's video, like I said, I want to focus more on the heated tile floor. If you want to know more about how we did that, we'll put a link in the video description for you. So we've got a tile floor here, and it's got a heating coil in it, which all runs up to a thermostat up here on the wall. So with that system, and the thermostat is programmable, so we can set it up to come on and off, I think about 8 different times a day, that sort of thing. And we'll insert some pictures into the video here as I talk about the thermostat. So some of the features on the thermostat, obviously you can set the temperature you want and the time of day that it comes on and off. So there's a heating schedule, which you can see here. And you can see how I've got it set up, but you can basically set it up however you want, and every day can be different if you want it to be different. So there's basically six slots there that you can set. Now something else you can do, and is kind of nice, and a lot of people ask, well, isn't that expensive? Like, doesn't it use a lot of power? This thermostat actually comes with a set of energy screens, so it shows you the amount of energy you're using. You can look at it in the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 12 months. And then on this last screen, it will actually show you all those items itemized with an actual total price. You have to look on your energy bill and program into the thermostat what your energy cost is. Ours is around 16 cents per kilowatt hours. But on this last screen, so it'll show you, like, in the last 24 hours, this system used 0.2 kilowatt hours, which costs 3 cents. The last 7 days, it used 0.8 kilowatt hours for 12 cents. So on and so on. You know, your 30 days. Here's my last 12 months. This floor, the way we've got it set up to turn on and off, only used $20.57. So it's really not that costly. We don't keep the floor hot all day. We have it to kick on before we get up in the morning, so it's nice and warm on the toes. And it cuts off most of the day while we're not at home. On the weekends we have it set a little bit different. It's on a little bit more, but you can set it up however you want. But you know, basically this thing's cost me under $25 a year to use, and it's so much nicer on your toes when you've got a tile floor that's got a little bit of heat to it. And even during I should mention that how we have it set is it bumps up during our peak times when we know we're going to be in here, but during the day it's still keeping it at like 21 degrees or something. I forget exactly what it's set at. So it's always keeping it warm. It's just whether it needs to be turned on or off. So it's always using a little bit of power if you don't have it actually shutting off during the day. Okay, so let's I want to show you with this thermal camera, just so you can see the heating coils. It'll take a second for the camera to cut in here. So you can see the coils quite clearly there. This spot that's over in here on the side is actually the heating vent that's on the floor. So it looks a little hotter around there because the furnaces maybe ran in the last little while. But other than that, you can see all the different coils coming back and forth in the room there. And you can even see at the far end of the room we change directions with the coil. Okay, So I thought that'd just be kind of an interesting view so you can see the actual, you know, what the floor is doing in there. Out here, this is outside the bathroom, so this is on the carpeted floor here, so you can see right away where the floor starts. So if you're considering doing an electric heated floor under your tile, I would strongly suggest that it's a good idea, especially in a bathroom, something like this, but you can use this type of system anywhere in your home. And this particular system is actually made by Schluter. They're not paying me to say that or whatever. It's a system I like to use. What do they call it? Dietra-Heat, I think is basically what they do. So it's an uncoupling membrane, and the wire, the thermostat, you can buy it all as a kit or buy it individual pieces, whatever you need. So anyways, you can check more about that out in the video, and I appreciate you watching this one, and have a good day.